Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video we are discuss about the Java programming language. At first, what is Java? Java is a popular programming language created in 1995. It is owned by Oracle and more than 3 billion devices run Java. It is used for mobile applications, especially Android apps, desktop applications, web server and application servers, games, database, and much more. And why use Java program? And Java work on different platform: Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. It is one of the most popular language in the world. It has a large demand in the current job market. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It is open source and free. It is secure, fast, and powerful. It has high community support, tens of millions of developers. Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to program and allow code to reuse, lowering developing and cost. As Java is close to C++ and C Sharp, it makes it easy to programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. First, how to install JDK file for Java programming language. In your PC, open your browser. I will open just like Chrome, Google Chrome, here. Then search here, download JDK, download JDK. Then enter. Then click on first site Oracle, just here, and choose your operating system, just like Linux, Mac operating system, Windows. I have Windows operating system, so click on Windows. Then click on second links, 64 installer. Click on this link. Then download will be started. Then now JDK is downloaded completed. Click on your uh, download folder. Then right click on this JDK file. Then run as administrator. Then click on OK. Then JDK file will be installed started, and then click on next. Then install will be started now. Then it will be successfully installed. Then click on close, and then check your JDK file install or not. Click on start menu. Then type cmd command prompt, open. Then type here java space dash version. Check your Java version. Then enter. Here it will be 22.0.2 version will be installed in this PC successfully. Then set your path. Click on program file in your C drive and search here Java folder. Here is Java folder. Click on it. Then JDK 2022 folder open. Double click on it. Then click on netbin folder. Double click and copy the URL link C drive bin. Then search here Windows button. Search environment variable, system environment variable. Click on it and environment variable. Click and choose your path and edit here. Click on edit. Then click on new. Then paste here this link. Then OK. Click on OK and OK. Now path will be set up. Then now check our first program, how to run Java program. Open your VS Code in your PC. Here open. Then create a file. File name first. I will type first.java. Yeah, first.java. Then here I have a print hello world program. Then how to run it. At first click on terminal, click on new terminal, click on it, then choose your folder in your program. Then I have new folder, then type here java c for compiler java file, and then your file name, click on it, then it is compiler, then added a compile file first.class, that is the compiler file of java program. Then how to run it, java space your file name, just like first only, and enter. This is the hello will be printed here. This is my output of this java program. Mm, mm. It is completely run in my system. Thank you.